Jess, go lay down. Go lay down. How's your brain when he does that?
Austin, pull it out.
That is so
Here.
freaking cute. I've never seen a card like this.
You could fill it out like you put it in a toothpaste.
Oh my god, I love this.
Yeah, get more. More.
This is really, really cute.
Pull.
Can I eat
Thank you
it?
so much.
I didn't wrap it. I just stuck it.
Austin, look!
He's a rat pig.
Alyssa?
Okay, stop.
It's like, what is in there?
Oh.
Whatever it is.
Keep
That
going.
is
Did she have hers? Or did she have to wait
Stop
for you
touching
to?
cake. No, she didn't have hers. Or did you? Oh, her present?
Yeah. I can't believe you got her.
Ooh.
No.
Wow.
Oh, what is it? Oh, wow. Look, it's a mirror and a rattle. Oh, my God.
Ooh.
You didn't have that already, did you?
No.
Okay. It talks and everything. Look, listen.
No. Look at the camera.
Ooh.
Nope.
For my jacket.
They don't have any of this stuff.
Oh, good.
Look. Oh, this is cute. That is cute.
Don't get it.
Wow.
Nothing spectacular, but he's so active. You know, it's
No.
just active stuff. I guess.
Did you see what we got him? I told
Yeah.
you.
Austin.
Like I told you.
Hi.
We didn't go over.